Shortcut menus provide a quick way to access the commands that you will likely need. With Excel being such a powerful tool, it can seem quite overwhelming trying to find the commands you need. Shortcut menus are menus displayed when you press the right mouse button. We've used these earlier on in the course when you could right-click the Quick Access toolbar to activate a shortcut menu that is specific to where you click. As you can see, when I click on the Quick Access toolbar, it displays relevant commands to help a user. For example, I can remove the command or customize the toolbar. Another scenario could be that I want to insert a column between these two cells. If I simply right-click the column, it will display a shortcut menu that has the Insert option, which can also be simpler than trying to find it manually by searching the menu bars. When highlighting cells, you can also use the shortcut menu above that displays common formatting commands. We can change the cell color or the text color, or even bold the text.